Hello. Oh, okay. Oh, it's doing that thing again. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's doing that thing again. Oh, it's really doing that thing. Oh, wow. All right. I wonder what makes it hang up like that. Uh, hmm. Okay. To the. Mm, okay. Play sounds is where. Okay. Oh, can you hear me? Hello? Hello. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't feel like joining voice chat, please. No. No. Oh, no. Thank you though. Um, this is just like explaining like just what the code does. I want to explain or I want Hey, what's up, Johnny? How you doing? How you doing? I am dipping my toes back into C++ a little bit because where is it? Where is it? Oh, this. Hmm? Oh, but oh, wait. For memory management, when you create a widget with a parent, no. What? Okay, wait. This is just okay. And what is this? Yes. But I'm using a library, like a GUI framework, whatever it's called. I don't know. That I've never used before. So I'm learning that. Um, sure, sure. What the heck? Was there something I put? Oh, this. Sorry. What the heck is this? Oh, yeah. Sorry. So yeah, it makes this, but I want to know exactly what the boilerplate code does before I do anything else. So at least I know like where everything is. So yeah, but I mean, once I click on something, it just pops off. Like it just and the like left clicking on something or right clicking on something doesn't do anything yet. Oh, I just don't feel like spending all day in voice chat. The parent automatically deletes. What? So it's like that app. What? Wait. No, not really. Hey, what's up, bro? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? This is a stream where I am out of my element, but I'm getting used to not being in my element at all times. So yeah. Oh yeah. I opened it up for Johnny, but this is what it looks like so far, the application, the GUI, GUI if you will. But it doesn't work. So I'm getting the boilerplate code explained to me. This is why the deconstructor is empty. Okay. Inheritance in the Q object macro. These are basically like components, basically, right? A push button. Where is this at? Line 14 public class sound button. That's the name of it, but it inherits this functionality. Okay. Then 34. Signals and slots. Event system. Okay. Oh, this is a lot. Wait, what? Signals and slots. The event cool. The event system. All right. I guess I have to wait for this. Yeah. Okay, I just said don't ask again. And it's gonna ask again, isn't it? It's gonna ask again. I just wanted to. Okay, I just wanted this to explain it to me. I didn't need all this. Mm. I want to scroll back up, but it's just gonna push it down to this anyway. So I just have to wait on this now. I really just want to read right now. Um, uh, what is this? Line 10. Connect. Huh. Okay, each sound button has a minimum size of width and height. Cool. Um, when the button emits click the signal, it plays the call back to this, right? Lambda connection at 82. But also, what is this? This is the setup. What's the difference between this and that? Okay. Um, when it does that, sound button, the button, this. That's when it does the class or whatever. This is a class. So that specific button, custom menu requested, runs lambda, runs lambda. Okay. I haven't found that out yet. Um, right click. Okay, this is a label. Hold up. This is the main menu, but okay, assign. This is it right here, but nothing is there. Yes, and it doesn't do anything. Let me. What is this again? Open. Boom. Yeah, I'm right clicking. It doesn't do anything. Any button to assign a file. Nothing. I'm right clicking. But whenever I left click on something, this is the first time it didn't. What the heck? What was that? That was the first time it didn't do that. Uh-huh. Okay. Whenever I left click on something, it closes it. Right click triggers that, and then that function, so that then a dialog should open. Okay. Layouts. Whoa, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Stacks the widgets vertically. So that when I get to 62, main layout. Oh, okay. Grid layout, which is at 71, which is this of the buttons. That's why I'm getting 12 of them. And rows and columns, which is 88. Okay. Building blocks. And I'll spend this right here. The top level window. Yes. Yes. Layout structure, the main, the central, the vertical layout. I get it. I get it. So like main window, this whole this, and then the central, which makes it central right here, but then the vertical layout, which makes this pop up first and then this. I only have two of these. So it's the instruction label, which is the top, this, the grid layout, boom, and then stretch puts this content to the top. I haven't seen this in action yet. So this creates 12 buttons, which ends up being all of these. And custom right click detection connected to Lambda does not really work yet. The kind of like HTML in that you have, yeah. This makes sense now a little bit more. When you right click, detect a right click emits that and then captures that and stores it in the last click button, calls the assign sound to button, opens a file dialog, call set that now plays. Cool. And oh, no more errors. Awesome. The heck is this? Um, Command Shift P. What? When okay. Whoa. I messed up. I messed up. Well, maybe I didn't, but I think I messed up. So all this stuff works. Cool, cool, cool. Huh? Hmm, Okay. 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 Now I don't have any errors, but the command I typed. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Um, Type it where? Here? Huh? Type it. It's not computing right now. It's not computing right now. I found the problem in 3544. What? Oh, what? Oh, wait. Huh? I was gonna say this is connected to play sound. This, but look at what play sound does at 42. Emit clicked. What does that mean? Oh, is there a return? You click left or right. Emits clicked. Play sound is called. Since no sound is assigned yet, it hits the else branch. Okay. Again. Which does it again. To assist it, like to explain things to me. Okay, I'm gonna run this one more time in the terminal. Well, let's just open it up. I don't see. I don't see anything. Okay. Segmentation fault. I don't know what that means. Crashes, or hangs before. Okay, do I have no errors or no message? I don't. This likely crashes or hangs the application before a context can even appear. The solution, the play sound function shouldn't re-emit. Instead, the right click should directly call that when there's nothing assigned. Remove 40. Just have it return, basically. I keep on saying return, but I don't know if that's the right way to say it in here. I don't know. It's weird that AI is still frowned upon. I don't know. The right click functionality is already set up. It's just doing that. So let me do this again. Nothing. What the heck? Okay. What does this mean? I've never seen a segmentation fault because plenty of reasons, which are kind of valid. What not even kind of valid, which they are valid. Like if you automate away the problem solving part of programming, you'll make yourself dumber. And I feel like people just associate the use of AI with just automating the problem solving part of programming as a whole when that when you don't necessarily have to do that. So when they see people using AI or hear of people using AI, they automatically it already comes with like a negative connotation, but the people that are using AI to like just I don't know. Like I feel like people are just reading articles all the time about hey, don't use AI is bad for you, bad for you, bad for you. But like if you're using it in a constructive way to make yourself better as a programmer or educating yourself, then it's good. The main thing I hate about AI is that the fact it acts like it's 100% right, even when I know it's like a 10% chance of being right, which is true. It'll lie to you. Yeah, which I feel like I don't know. I feel like AI is kind of like it's learning from humans, so it's just gonna have bad human traits, you know? But I think also on it's also the responsibility of the the programmer to like verify if what it's spitting out is correct. Just like how fact checking worked before AI became this whole like fiasco, you still have to like verify. Oh, well, that's a human trait. I think the same way that we used to go to what is that called? What is the website called? Stack Overflow and like not find an answer or go through trial and error over and over again, even though like you should be reading the docs, but like the same way that we just like had to run into a brick wall over and over again to learn like the tricks in the trade, like the tricks and stuff of the trade. You kind of have to learn how to use AI to guide you to the right direction now. It's like the new Stack Overflow, but instead of someone like calling you dumb that gives you answers, it's other people that see you using a Stack Overflow AI that calls you dumb. If that makes sense. It's because the people writing the code made it so. It's better to not find an answer than to not find an answer. To, I think you're still doing the right thing because then you kind of have an advantage over others that are inevitably going to be using AI in the future, whether they know it or not. You're getting more experience in what the pitfalls in using AI look like, as opposed to someone like 2 or 3 years down the road that's going to be using AI in some form or fashion that's just now running into the problems that you're facing. But then again, have have already the experience, like know what it looks like now so that you can already steer in the direction that you want to. Like already have your prompts already in place and stuff like that. So it's almost certainly from the Lambda issue. Let me check the current state of, let's see. Yes, that's the problem at 83. I kind of still don't know what that means. Has this signature. Has this signature. Has this signature. Okay, that's in the what? That's in the what? Oh gosh. No. Is that it? No. What is it? Q widget. Q widget. Okay. I'm trying to understand the code. Okay, I think I might go ahead and yeah. Accepted. Mixing the queue parameter. Connect that const that and that. Put that in the parentheses. Yes. You don't need to use POS in the Lambda body, but you must accept it. Okay. Or maybe I have to. Oh, I don't know. Yeah. What's a way to like hot reload this thing? Is there a way to hot reload this thing? I hate C++. Oh wait, I don't want it to like change code. Oh, it's just build and then do that again. Oh, okay, fine. I'm expecting it to open up. Please. Okay. Now my app is running. No, it's not. No, it's not. Fine. I'm going to make and then boom. What the heck? Ow. What do you mean? Yes, it does. Oh. Ooh. It's somewhere in here. Input button, connect that, and then do that. But uh, let me check if there's like file, home path, do that. Oh, debug it then. I'm down with that. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Mm. Perfect. Now try. Let's. Uh, 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 um, if it's being detected, if you don't see anything, that might require control instead of just right click or. Oh, okay. Make it, then do that. I don't see anything in here right now in my debug console. So, is that it? That's not it. What? Control click? I'm trying all of them. What can open? Okay. Let's scroll. Okay. What the heck? Oh, okay. At least that's working. Okay. If you see the tech, it's fine, but it might not be getting called. Mm, it's included. Okay. Looks decent. Oh no. Uh, Uh-uh. Hold up. No, look at that. There, let me do that. Here. Crap. I have to do it here. Uh, opening file dialog. There is no. Oh. Wait a minute. There's something else happening. I think there may be another recursive loop or infinite loop, whatever. Like as soon as this is doing that, file dialog, like it's automatically clicking something else. So opening file dialog and then return file name. Something's happening here. Where? Okay. No, don't kill it. No. Oh, okay, 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 okay. So make, and then boom. Heh, awesome. Okay. I don't have like any sound stuff. Do I have? No. Wait. The heck is that? What? Okay. Uh, me, me, and then put that, slap that right. Boom. Um, okay, now, are you work? Yes? Wait, it's freezing. No. Hold up. No. It's so good. It was progress made though. Okay, there. Yes. Setting file for button. It says setting it. Wait, it did it. It's just slow. I don't know what it did it. I don't know if I can hear this or not. It's too low for y'all to hear it, I think. What does this sound like to y'all? What the heck? It's still too low. I mean, this is progress. I don't hate it. Okay. With that being said, and I have to do it every single time. I want to be able to like save it, save it. But we will do that on the next time that I just need to make it save. Yeah, about that. I make easy things hard. Um, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna work. Peace. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being you. Thank you for interacting. And see you in Discord. Bye.